Okay, I'm back with another video. I bought a pair of camouflage pants, but they never come in the right length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and hem these. I bought some of this Heat and Bond Ultra Hold. I want to see how it works. So I've grabbed the wife's iron. I've already pre-washed them, and I'm going to take and hem them up and see what I can do with these. So I'm going to go ahead and make them nice and flat. Okay, you can see where I've already had them turned up. Okay, I've flipped it over. I'm going to measure. I got 3 inches. I've got 3 inches. Iron it down a little bit. Make it nice and flat. Let's go ahead and unfold it. And this tape is kind of coarse on one side. What I want to do is I want to lay that down right here, right along through here, where I got it measured and marked. Go down here and rip this off. Okay, you don't have to cut them with scissors. I want to take, I'm going to iron this down right here. It should stick right on there. I don't know, give it about 10 seconds. It's on there. We want to leave that on there for right now because I want to turn these pants over. I want to put one on the other side. So I'm going to measure 6 inches. Leave this here. It is 6 inches. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put another piece of tape there. Okay, got the tape on the other side. Now what I'm going to do, first time I've ever done this, so hey, bear with me. I don't know if this is the right way, and I'm sure there's other ways to do this, but now I'm going to peel all this tape off here. There's a little film right here. Take the white off. This side. Yeah, I'm going to do a little bit of overkill here because I'm going to put a piece of tape down here as well where the crease is on the leg. Go up a little bit here. Now go ahead and take the backing off of all of these. Now I'm going to go ahead and fold it back again to where I had it before. Okay, I got it folded back. Got 3 inches. Got 3 inches. Okay, now I'm going to iron it down. Might want to give this about 30 seconds since these are jeans. Yeah, iron them down really good because these are pretty thick. For thinner cloth, I would say a lot less time. Flip them over and start ironing on the other side. So get this a little bit longer. I probably ironed on these for 5 minutes or better. Remember, you got a piece of seam tape down inside here as well. Do not use your steamer on this. I had the power on number 4. Don't really know what the temperature was on that iron at that number. Okay, there it is. I'll let it cool off for a little bit. It's pretty tight. I will see what happens and see if it holds. If it doesn't hold, I'm going to take them and put them on the sewing machine and I'm going to sew it in place, and I know it won't move then. Okay, here's the finished product. If this doesn't hold, like I said before, I will take and put them on a sewing machine and they will not come out. But I'll see how long this here lasts. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.